For smaller quantities of powder or granular materials required in processing plants, bag products are used. In developing countries, materials often still come in bags that elsewhere are supplied in bulk. Depending on the number of bags processed in a day, either a manual bag opener or an automatic bag splitting machine is required. Extract offers ideal solutions in both cases. For occasional use or low bag consumption, the RSM type manual bag opener will be the appropriate choice. Higher throughputs from 20 up to 400 bags per hour require an RSA type automatic bag splitter. The operator puts the bag on the rest and pushes it onto the grill. With the aid of a knife, he then slits the bag open and shakes it empty. By lowering the screen, the operator protects himself from dust. While the bag content may be discharged through a hopper or by Extract's special rotary discharging device bin sweep into any type of feeder, the built-in fan-operated air-jet clean dust collector filters the dust generated during emptying. The empty bag is dropped into the chute on the side, which leads into the bag compactor. The bag compactor consists of a heavy-duty screw conveyor and a compaction chamber. The compressed bags are slowly pushed into a polythene hose, which must be periodically unbound and cut off. A belt conveyor feeds bags into the inlet port, which is covered by a dust-collecting hood. The bags drop from the belt onto an extra heavy-duty spiral screw. Thin bags will burst open just through impact. Bags with multiple layers or those made of elastic plastic material are pulled in by the slowly turning screw and ripped open through a scissor effect between screw and trough. This effect is increased thanks to a replaceable panel with integrated cutters applied to the inside of the trough. At the same time, the broken bags are conveyed into a revolving screen. The bag contents fall through the screen mesh into a collecting device mounted on the outlet of the machine. Paddles applied inside the screen drum repeatedly lift up the empty bags. In this manner, the bags are liberated from remaining material. The inclination of the paddles helps the bags move towards the screen outlet, where they drop into the built-on bag compactor described earlier. Dedusting is taken care of by an integrated fan-operated air-jet clean dust collector placed on top of the screen housing. Among the applications of manual bag openers and automatic bag splitters, the following are the most significant. The main advantages of Xtrax manual bag openers are small overall dimensions and compact user-orientated design, comfortable working height, a stainless steel body, built-in fan-operated air-jet clean maintenance-friendly dust collector. Through the bin sweep rotary discharging device, overall height is kept low, favorable price-performance ratio, easy bag disposal, centralized dust collection on request. The main advantages of Xtrax automatic bag splitters are: the machine consists of a small number of components. Only very few spare parts are required. Easy access to all parts. Low operating noise level thanks to use of engineering polymers. Easy and quick replacement of filter elements. Ability to handle bags of different sizes without machine adjustment. Extremely low product retention rate. Series production and specially designed production machinery guarantee an outstanding price-performance ratio. A quality-dedicated production layout gives the client the assurance that the equipment he is going to use has been checked and tested in each phase of the manufacturing process up to the shipping department. Quick delivery is guaranteed thanks to a large amount of stock of components and parts at the factory in Italy and at the WAMGROUP subsidiaries worldwide. During the following part of this video, please pay attention to the special safety notices. On receipt of the consignment, check that the goods are in conformity with the invoice and with the acknowledgement of order. Handle all material with care. Remove the equipment and its accessories from the packaging, and from now on strictly follow the supplied instruction manual for handling, assembly and installation. Refer to the instructions in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. Maintenance is limited to periodical checks and replacement of the filter elements and the coil of the air-jet cleaning solenoid valve. The RSA requires minimum maintenance. Check and, if necessary, replace dust collector polyplate elements and the solenoid coil of the filter air-jet cleaning system. Check, adjust and replace periodically the stuffing box of the end bearing assembly of the splitting screw. Lubricate the end bearing assembly of the splitting screw. Replace the protecting curtain at the bag inlet if it is worn out. Check and, if necessary, substitute the cutter panel. Check and, if necessary, replace the screen drum support rollers. Check the tension of the chain transmission from time to time and readjust if required. Refer to safety instructions in the manual before installation, operation and maintenance. Only use tested and certified hoisting and fitting equipment and tools. Electrical connection with the main supply must be carried out by qualified personnel only. Before electrical connection, ensure electric motor plate data and voltage supply match. Before any kind of repair or maintenance work, disconnect the electric motor from the mains. Only use original spare parts. Follow general safety instructions. The bag openers cannot function in a standalone capacity. It is therefore prohibited to place them into service until the plants in which they are installed have been globally declared to conform with the requirements of the European General Safety Directive for machines.